Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you the tutorial for this look. Yes, I did pink and plaid. Don't judge me, don't at me. This is my style. I wanted to wear color. I wanted to wear my plaid blazer because I have somewhere to go. I look good. That's all that matters. I don't really care about other people's negative opinions. So let's get right into this video because y'all, I look so tired at the beginning. Please do not judge me. But you know, if you do, I don't care. But just know I look really tired. I did wake up when I did right when I got out that video. I don't know what it is. I've been training and y'all, work has been fun, but I'm tired because I've been driving everywhere. I got places to drive today. I'm just stressed. But you know what? I love recording and I was not going to let it stop me. So let's get right into this video. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face, y'all. I look so tired. And yeah, I really am. I tried to wake up and have a good day and I'm still having a good day. It's a nice day. I'm just really tired. And I think it's my sleep from yesterday. I had 3 hours of sleep yesterday. They had to go to work to train. It's so funny. I don't know why I do this to myself. Yeah, we're working with a bright pink today, so I'm excited though. Because I will get myself looking woke, okay? So let's do our eyebrows. I guess I'm gonna do my eyebrows on camera. It's been a while, I know. So I'm gonna go in with my ultimate brow powder, and I'm messing up all my lights, y'all. I'm actually going to meet somebody today. Somebody, I don't even have my own camera, not my camera, I said everything but my mirror set up. I'm actually going to meet somebody I haven't seen in 2 decades. You can only imagine who that is. But it's going to be a nice day. So, I'm not doing the most of my eyebrows, y'all, okay? I'm going to go in there with my concealer and I'm going to fill them in like I always do, y'all, and set my brows. Yeah, guys, I had no energy at the beginning of this video. I don't know why, because I wanted to get up and do YouTube, which I love YouTube. It's just, I think, work and training and, getting less sleep and then the pets and then having to drive everywhere. I really wish I didn't have to go nowhere today, but I do have to go meet somebody. I'm just so tired and so stressed. And I swear it's just catching up to me. What am I going to do when school come around? Oh, my God, this is going to be hectic. But I'm still going to keep it fun for YouTube. Thank you, guys. Okay, so I set my eyes, guys, and you hear all the chewing noise, that's my dog. So I am about to, if I find my brush, I just had it, okay. I'm using 2 different palettes for the pink. Well, actually, I'm using 3 different ones. I'm going to use my ColourPop, the Rose palette, for my blending. And I'm going to use Trendy in Tokyo and the Labby Dun Prints for my bright pink eyeshadow. Just because the pink is so bright, that's what I do. The pink is super bright. I kind of want to mix that with Animator. That's pretty. Guys, I'm so happy I chose pink. The pink is so pretty. That's the first pink right there is from my Trendy in Tokyo palette. That color is so vibrant. It's crazy. It would have been even more vibrant if I had my compact brush, but it had black in it, so I couldn't use it. And then I mixed it after, I mixed it with my Labby Dun Prints pink just to make it more pink because I was going to blend it out with another pink. So it all turned out really cute. I'm excited. And yeah, I'm not talking about nothing right there. That stuff look crazy. I feel like models be wearing their eyeshadow like this. They'll leave it like that too. Had a makeup artist, they just leave that eyeshadow all in the eyes. Not a fan of that. Blend that stuff in. That's what it's for. So I'm going to take the ColourPop palette. And because it's a dark red, I'm going to blend with this one lightly. I chose to blend with the red in my Rose palette because it's a pinkish red. I thought it looked pretty and better that way than using a brown, especially because the eyeshadow is so pink. It's a good mix because it doesn't take all the color off. And I love that palette. That palette is from ColourPop. It's one of my favorites. You can get it at Ulta for $15, and they have the bigger palettes as well. But it's so pretty, y'all, and it turned out, it just made it even more vibrant. My little Valentine's Day eye is just so cute. So now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, y'all. And I'm going to put black eyeshadow on top. Now I'm doing my liner, y'all. That liner be taking so long because it's marker. But y'all, that's why I had to cut this part because it took too long. I got it at the end of the day. That's all that matters, the outcome. So y'all can see me talking. I'm not talking about nothing. I'm legit venting to myself. It's funny because I'm not even talking about the makeup. I'm legit like mad about something. I was like just talking out loud because I'm home alone. And I'm not talking about my mom. It's legit like something else. And I was just like just venting to myself. And it's actually really funny that I did that. And I caught myself mouthing in the camera though. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna be using my toffee and some of the Cool Tan. I want to use more of the toffee though, since it's a really tan color. I know you're tired of me with these voiceovers, but they're really fun, and it just takes so much time to like speed these videos up. I'm just blending my concealer out here. I ended up mixing two, and I used the brush for the second one because I ended up having to cut it to get the rest of it out. Okay, y'all, so I got that set, and I'm gonna go in there and put my powder on my face. The pink is so pretty, y'all. I love pink. Pink on melanin skin just looks so good, especially when it's really vibrant. I'm going to go and contour the outsides of my face. And I'm actually going to do black in my waterline, y'all, since I know how to do it now. So I'm going to put that under my eye. And if you know what, first I'm going to hurry up and I'm going to go do my blush. Because I'm going to do the waterline off camera just because I feel like it's going to take a while because I might mess up. I'm using my Blushing and Bali palette for my blush, and I'm going to use the coral color. Now, I'm going to finish my face off camera, y'all, and you will see the finished look when I'm done. And this is the finished look, guys. I wanted to wear my plaid blazer with pink. I just thought it was a really cute mix. It's my style, so I don't care what you say. Anyways, I look at the pink, guys. The pink is really cute. I added black on my waterline, light pink under my eyes, and I did highlighter on the corner. You really can't go wrong with the little, what's it called, mixed hair, y'all. Come on with the frosted hair. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at AM Tatiana Green. Follow my blog, AM Tatiana. Follow my makeup page, Makeup with Tatiana. And I will see you guys on the next video. I'm getting so good at that. I'm so proud of myself. Bye.